With the continuous development of cutting-edge new technology, white and grey ball press equipment is also steadily innovating. For example, in the noise control of white and grey ball press, the noise of equipment produced today is much smaller than in the past, and the power consumption is greatly reduced. At the same time, the pelleting rate of raw materials is also getting higher and higher, further reducing the probability of raw materials rework. The continuous development of cutting-edge new technologies has made continuous technological breakthroughs in the field of manufacturing have gradually built our low-carbon environmental protection standard. White ash ball press is mainly widely used in the white ash industry, is also used in the energy and chemical industry, power plant industry, transportation industry, and metallurgical industry. The use of white ash ball press. It can be those remaining in the final difficult to press some of the white ash molding. Its use can greatly save a lot of energy.